What's up mga gaw?
And what's up, UM?
This is Community Talk, your weekly dose of chat.
So today, this is Monday, April 20, 2026, and this is our 8th episode and season 3 of Community Talk host, together with my co-host Ben Chavez, and I am Rhoda Alcaide.
Of course, that's the correct partner. Again, my name is Benny Boy, and welcome to Community Talks, and get ready for fresh discussions and exciting stories only here, live at Community Talk, or Communication Facebook page. Partner, how is it, partner? Of course, this is your... Again, guys, mga ga sa mga wala na kaila, kanila si Rhoda, as our sophomore nato ng mga estudyante sa AB Communication Program. Chill lang tara, partner, no? This is gonna be a very quick and light na pag-hisgutan ng mga collaboration interviews together with our very great guests. But let me ask you, partner, how is it being your first time as my co-host, by the way?
Actually, cool ba siya, like, the very first time nga ma-experience nila, like, it's also part of development improvement as engaging in this kind of field, like it's aligned to our program.
Ay, aligned yung pag-ganahan ko na, partner. So how is it ba? Well, of course, it's been a while since the last time naka on air sa Community Talks, no? Big shoutout din sa tuwang kauban na to sa una si Jalaika Abios together with Mary Claire Salarde. Na sila karon sa PTV. Nag-intern sila as part of their curriculum, no, na mag-internship sa mga ingana ng mga dagko ng mga network as part of our AB Communication na panggabuhato sa mong kurso. But going back, partner, how is it? How's your productivity throughout those past few weeks?
Actually, we have done a very productive week because we covered the PAATI 2026.
Wow.
Yeah. Very hagod yun siya, but then it's our willingness and eagerness to also engage in that kind of particular event because it's also very aligned to our program. It would help us to mold into a better version and also very productive individuals.
Ay, that is correct, partner. No, ganahan ko sa inyong gi-cover. By the way, guys, if wala pa ninyo na nakita ang coverage of 4Cs sa PAATI, go check 4Cs organization, 4Cs UMDC sa Facebook page. Dito na mag-post. And partner, no, speaking of productivity, this upcoming mga days, mga few weeks up until May 22, sa mga wala nakabalo or probably nakabalo na sa itong mga currently nagatanaw karon, the UMDC and other branches of University of Mindanao is currently doing its flexible classes, doing online class na physical but limited lang, and of course na ay mga online classes gihapon ng gabi tabo throughout EMSA 1 and EMSA 2. This is in line sa tuang pag-save sa energy, especially sa pag-suporta po sa mga estudyante para dili po sila mahago silang pamasahe, mga ingana.
And partner, na ba may klase karon?
Yes, dati klase actually karon naghatag lang mig time to actually na hatag Community Talks good, no? This is very important. But partner, excited na ba ka sa tong i-interview later on?
Very excited ko because I have heard a lot of very stories about her na
stories?
legendary
siya.
Grabe jud ay kabatak do, like very kapitik jud ay, like murag siyang pitik queen sa UM.
Pitik queen sa UM, tinuod na, partner. And speaking of pitik queen, we're going to meet her later on, but before that, we're going to have a quick break. See you later, mga ga.
Pursuing academic aspirations with a financial burden is really hard, but UM Digus College offers a wide range of scholarships that help students like you achieve their academic goals. Whether you are an incoming freshman or a returning student, financial assistance is within reach, and availing these scholarships is easier than you think. All you need to do is visit our student accounting office, where our friendly staff will guide you through the process. The Student Accounting Office is known to ensure correct and complete school fees assessment of students and also provide timely processing of scholarships and renewal of qualified students. Digus College offers scholarships based on academic merit, financial need, talents, dedication, and more. But make sure to meet all the qualifications before applying to ensure immediate approval of the desired scholarship. For more specific details, just visit the Student Accounting Office and discover how you can turn your dreams into reality with a scholarship from Digus College. PLAYGO stands for Clean As You Go, and it's not just a catchy acronym, it's a way of life. It means that we leave no trace of trash wherever we go. Whether you are munching in the canteen or hanging outside, remember the ABCs of PLAYGO. Always bin your clutter. In essence, PLAYGO isn't just about keeping things clean in the moment. It's about fostering habits and attitudes that benefit us, others, and the world around us in the long term.
The Office of Student Affairs helps implement student discipline, instill values in the students, and foster camaraderie while preparing the students for competitions. It also encourages students to develop social and interpersonal relationships as well as leadership skills through membership in various campus organizations which are being supervised by faculty and non-faculty advisors. Among these are the college student government and all the accredited academic, religious, civic, and social student organizations. The Office of Student Affairs is responsible for releasing the Good Moral Certificate for employment, PNP requirement, PRC or board exam requirement, scholarship, transfer of school, and other purposes. The Office of Student Affairs is also responsible for giving clearance for replacement of ID for the following reasons: lost ID, burnt out or damaged ID, change of academic program, returning student, and change of status. For more information, you can visit the Office of Student Affairs located at the back of the UMDC Gymnasium.
Welcome back mga ga. Of course, still watching Community Talks live in Komunikasyon Facebook page. And of course, mga ga, partner, na itong kinakusgan na interview guest na to for today's episode. Ladies and gentlemen, please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I am Yvonne Jane Padillo, a member of Performing Arts Guild of Students as well as the president of Summit City.
Hey! Of course, mga partner, knowing Miss Yvonne or Press Yvonne, isa siya sa pinaka pitik queen of UMDC, no? Ngayon ko anak ay sabay ka ng choreography sa muabutay na gawad. Ay, wala pa. Later pa namo na iingon puhon. Wait, how's it everything? How's everything ba, Miss President, no? How is the experience of being here, man?
Wow, very kakulbo. Oh my God! Doon siya kaya jud sa kay. Dahil so like, go. Let's go.
Okay na. Tama na siya. Go get always. Partner, I think you have a question?
Yes, as we know nga part jud siya sa UMDC PAGS, I have a question here as a member of PAGS. How was the journey of being a freshie who just joined and now being one of the senior member of the group, molded by your passion in dancing?
The GPT guys.
Wow. So, parang as me personally, no, kay it's very very wide experience and very kanang roller coaster.
Roller coaster.
Yeah, kay kanang from the very start first year pa lang ba kay parang dili ko ka knowledgeable enough sa kung unsay mga different genres, and parang even ako personally kay dili jud ko hawd musayaw, kabalo lang jud ko ana ba, and parang thank you Lord kay kanang nadawat ko dira, and then as we go through many performances, many experiences ba kay kanang dagan ko kag ma-learn nga like uy kaya din ako ni nga genre diri, uy mas kanang mas mabalaan gud nimo imong sa imong kaugalingon ba, asa nga genre ka mas prefer, asa ka mas like mas hawd, or then napoy asa pug ka medyo magkulang ana god, and you are able to acknowledge ba nga ay hindi na ko na kaya daraan ana. So parang very kakuan siya kay even ako ang mga kauban ba kay gatabang gud sila to choose kung unsa jud ang bagay sa imuha ug tama sa imuha.
So, for you, ate, what is the best genre that suit to you?
Oh, wow, that's a good question.
Wow. For me, like, parang so far, no,
Reggae. Without the gun.
kidding aside, pero bitaw, for me, so far, kay, I'm really into contemporary good. So, like, more on flexibility, yung mga mag-split-split, mag-tumbling-tumbling.
Ano wala ka nag-gymnastic press? Okay,
by,
next
by,
question.
by circumstance,
No, wala yung gymnastics.
walay
dito.
kwan jud diri, and parang murag,
Maybe ikaw first na athlete, o takabalo. Ikaw mag-start, mag-initiate.
manda.
I want to follow up on the question ni partner na ko ni Roda. How it really started ang imong passion sa dancing ba? Is dancing your first thing or takabalo musikero
Yeah.
di ka di ay na?
Dancing is really the first skill good nga akong na kuan kay sa ako ang pagka-remember no kay kanang kindergarten pa daw ko kay hawd na daw sige na daw ko kiay sa gawas sa balay kanang pasikat god sa mga silingan
So, bida-bida, yeah.
para matagaan og makaon ba, so
Ay.
like the kadugayan kay parang mas perfect ni siya go ana
So,
padayon.
your dancing is also part of source of your opportunities, Juday, since birth.
Yeah, actually.
Since birth, since
parang-
napa siya sayang
Napa ko sa
magpupunan.
na dito
Nagsayaw na siya dito.
Nagpitik-pitik
Ano
na
ulit?
Lain na nagpitik-pitik na nakasabihan
Yeah.
sa mong mama. But
Ano
that's really good, Pres, no? Kay, at least at a very young age of yours, naibawan na nimo na acknowledge na nimo na I have something na para ani na talent kid.
Yeah.
Nagihatag ni Lord. I also have a question, no? Of course, kay balo man gid ang mga nato kay kami na you are the president of a newly formed organization called the Sambit Sining Organization.
Yes.
You know, as the president of that organization, how can you explain to our students sa UMDC about the essence of that organization ba?
Okay, so Sambit Sining kay parang nasa actually ang main kuan jud ani bay kay kanang very kuan lang gud ang ihang main reason nganong nabuo gud ni siya for us to have really easy access sa mga fans na nagod, pero throughout the kuan gud kay parang makuan gud na mo diri aba nga we all know nga sa UMDGOS kay naa man jud different kind of socio-cultural
Yes.
choral, the pags, and the band. So, because ana ay tungod ani nila kay parang nakita gud na mo ang nga parang lahi sila ba wala like parang wala sila yung mga organization and such parang ana god sugi parang na decisionan nga ibuo god ni siya.
Initiate mo ngayon, collaborative siya, something like that.
Yeah, parang inana god para aside sa from kanang para sa funds or sa mga money namo kay it is to kuan god to unite all socio-cultural socio-cultural group kay parang isa man gud mi og kanang sinugda isa mi naghandle sa mga barang isa ang head gud sa mga which is ang Eraaw bali sila ang nagdala sa
Ang
mga
advisor
social
niyo si...
and ang mga advisor karon kay si Miss K.
Hello, Miss K. I think
Hi,
nagatanaw siya
Miss.
karon. Ulit akong speaker later po.
Pero yun nga, so because of that, like, parang nabuo ni siya nga kuan ba, and parang ipakita gud na mo nga, like, dili lang amo ang grupo, amo ang kaya
Promote.
kaya pud na mo makig-coordinate sa uban, sa kuan, kaya na mo mag-collaborate sa usag-usagod. So, like, parang, nadyo unity good inanada. So, that's the point, that's the real purpose of the organization, to unite all the socio-cultural group and to kanang to have camaraderie ba sa usag-usa.
Which actually happened last February.
Yes.
Partner. That is the
Sa
first
Pulse
ever
Val.
event sa Summit organization.
The post-concert Valentine's kay before na mo na sila, pero kato before kay wala pa jud like
Separate
pa jud, pero this year katong last February lang jud ang pinakauna nga collaborate jud ang tanan like as one na god ni. So we are one Mindanao.
Well, one Mindanao. You University of Mindanao. Akala nyo ha. Pero bitaw, for I think you have a question.
So my question is, as a student leader or performer and a student, how do you manage everything from your academic responsibilities and your extracurricular activities also? Your love life.
Hey!
I don't manage.
You don't manage. Wow.
Actually, per bitaw, like, parang naman dyan ko times ba nga, like, especially sa mo ang sa pags ba, kay kanang we have very many engagements outside the school, even inside sa school, so daghan kay gakuha sa mo agad inana. And parang, for me personally, manggod kay parang, thankful na lang pud ko ba kay kanang, ang ako agong course, kay, which is BS Psychology, kay kanang, very, we all know, very kwanjo na siya kay kailangan dyan mo gamiton ni mo ang utok and everything ba. So, parang,
kahumanang
Kay
research.
more-
kahumanang
research
research jud from
First year.
So, so yun, so like parang, ginakuan ng good na ako kay, I find the joy, I find the passion in doing this, mga God. So like parang, dili siya kuan sa ako, so parang
Dili siya
tagaan
burden.
dili siya burden, ingon nga burden jud kon God. Pero though naama jud gud siya ups and downs ba, so like parang dili gud kay siya ingon sakit, parang kuan ba. So kaya ra gud siya mekos-mekos.
Manageable kay siya.
Yeah.
Bearable.
I don't manage, guys.
No.
Kung say naa sa tubangan mo una.
So, for example, sa very, na kayo mo, like, very, grabe na jud ang practice. Do you feel nga, kapoy na jud ka ay malawas?
Yeah, dili jud na siya malikayan. Physically kay
Draining
lawas magud mo ang puhunan, draining ba. As well as dara apod tong masulod tong parang usahay god pag mag-abot ang imong akad sug ang imong kuan, syempre matarog jud imong
Yes.
mental health, and the moment na makuha nimong mental health damay jud tanan. So physical, so najoy kanang najoy times ba nga like parang hindi ko na kaya, like parang
May
dili na
nakamabsent.
ko o mundang na ko oy, like inana god, pero still ba because of kwan kay passion, as well as kay kanang because of dancing man pud good ba kay kanang natagaan gud mi og opportunity nga mahuman gud among eskwela because of the
Wow.
scholarship.
Yes,
So
of course.
it's a very big kanang
Tabang.
kwan gud
Privilege.
tabang. Yes, and it's also comes with great responsibility. So kailangan na mo mag-show up, kailangan na mo magpakita, kailangan na mo mag-practice. Parang ina god. So despite sa imong kakapoy and everything, basta makuan ko mo ma-remind ka ba nga like, oy, this is for my future. So like, okay, go, padayon.
You know, whatever happens, say ginahatag dala sa fans sa ibong life. Now, in general aspect na lang, no, you just really need to cater it, but do it with responsibility. Good. You know, which actually, dili lang si Press Yvonne, by the way, guys, but also,
The
there are
other
alas mga
members.
social cultural
Yes.
groups, but hindi lang mga social cultural groups, na po yung mga student leaders na to, no, from CSO and CDSG, even ang mga academics na to, na mga honors sa honor society, of course, no, na dagag storya ang
Yes.
mga kalain-laing mga kinabuhi sa mga
Daghan og
estudyante.
mga challenges,
Challenges.
struggles nga ginaagyan pago nila magkuha ang ilang gusto nga maabot.
But I wanna highlight as well, no, it's something na ako ang I have pride of saying and telling how marvelous the students of UMD College gid, no, kay nay mga ng mga storya na watakabalo na, even though they're actually in the exposed kila sa no, sa light and everything, but behind the scenes na mga struggles, na mga personal
Yes.
challenges, but the fact that they have overcome it and still do it with urgency and motive kasi passion nila yan, it's just out of my mind. Dako ang pagpasalamat sa mga estudyante na yung na partner.
Yes.
But you know, speaking of course management and everything, as a student leader kasi you're the president of the Summit Singing Organization, again ano po siya kanang unsay mga favorite moments nimo as president and as a member of PAGS ba?
Let's start with the PAGS. So, as member of PAGS, akong pinaka-favorite good guys, kaya like parang, tagaan good mi og opportunity, privileges na magka-perform sa different municipalities. Like
Wow.
parang,
Bitaw.
so far manggod kay parang ginakuha mi as mga dancer sa Mutya, like para sa to sa
Actually, sa
Dabsur.
Dabsur, di ba?
Yeah, sa Dabsur, sa Gihing, sa Gunay, Santa Cruz. So like parang daghan gud kayo siya. So isa na siya sa kuang mga kwan baka like we have the opportunity to showcase our talent not just in school but as well as outside ba. And then parang kwan pod kay para sa uban ba kay parang na-discover gud nila nga kanang naay mga potential lang mga tao na good as well as the lessons nga ako ang ma-learn sa inside the group and even outside the group. And sa kuan na pod as a
Sambit singing.
Sambit Singing president, mali nga ang pinaka-favorite dyan ako by kay like yung parang after the after the event, let's say for example atong post Valentine's, like parang it's lami good siya sa paminaw nga makabalo ka nga ang mga tao kay nag-enjoy. Though there are technicalities nga like nagahitabo ba, pero still good sulit kaayo
Sulit,
ilahang gipalit good.
Na 30
Like,
pesos.
30 pesos lang yun ha, pero the performances of every group is above the kuan jud. Like,
Pang-asap jud niya moment.
Dako akong pasalamat actually na it's actually a collaboration namo ni
Yeah.
Miss Press Evon and of course together with the CDSG, even though may mga technicalities, but the preparation was very smooth. Everything was
Yeah.
na-comply gid tanan-tanan, and most importantly nakahit mi og wala naman na-expect na funds para sa mga
Yeah.
estudyante.
yes.
Ana gyud
Actually,
mong pagpasalamat gyud sa mga ni tambong mga estudyante ug mga outsiders, family, friends of the performers, but even mga fans gyud mismo. Ni tambong gyud sila and to support our socio-cultural group which is the Sambit Singing Organization.
Yeah, and I would like to grab this opportunity to thank everyone no kay kanang at first jud by ay sa amo ang first date sa concert kay na postpone man to kay parang
Bagyo.
yeah kay gibagyo niya wala na nag
Wala din ni ulan.
Still,
yeah but
sure.
still pero we still very thankful ba kay at first kay na problema gud mi sa money sa usa man ginabayad ba, and then later on sa kuan ba kay kanang unexpected kay bay kay taas pa sa mo ang gina-expect gud sila like nabayaran ko na mo tanan like wow thank you Lord, and then
and then kayo Miss Pearl.
thank you pod sa tanan kay kanang naapoy naabot sa matag grupo god na sila'y part nga nahatag sa ila, so like parang wow it's a very big blessings.
Actually, regarding sa inyong ginaingon Latino, like, there's a lot of external opportunities tungod sa inyong pag-participate ani nga program. That means nga, ang UMDC is wala lang mo gina-isolate within the school para ma-express inyong talents. But also, ginatagaan pa mo jud mo other opportunities pa jud para maka-gain pa jud mo improvement.
And experience. And I would like to share everyone no, so like parang karon kay nami gina-prepare
Yes.
nga competition sa
Sa
Manila.
Wow.
So like I would like to ask everyone for support time ninyo guys, balag moral support.
Yeah.
We can also if you want to really offer us help financially.
And it's a really big help.
Yeah,
na.
it's a very big help to kayo guys. So like parang we're so thankful pud sa UM kay nag-support pud sila sa
Wow.
amoa ba. So like parang na-adjay ko na ay kanang ana godo.
Yes, basta ana-ana daw. Basta ana-ana. Without press,
Give and take.
give and take. Press, of course, finally, what message ba imong maingon sa mga or ma-share no sa mga gusto mo appeal sa socio-cultural group and of course the organization sa Sambit Singing?
Well, so ang kuan so before ka mag-join sa Sambit Singing, you need to be a member of either sa tulo. So like parang mamili jud ka na. Pero ang isa lang jud ako ka message ko dili siya for the week. Not physically,
Guys,
not
note that.
dili ka dapat weak sa mind, sa heart, because it's a really roller coaster ride jud gud. Hilak jud kag kuan taman ani andam kag tissue, andam kag mga knowledge,
Pero
andam
worth
kag
it
kanang-
mangyahapon, press.
Worth it Japon kay najud kay ma-learn good.
Yeah,
Like
and
para-
opportunities as
yeah.
well.
Actually, Pras, I was wondering how it feels to be...
Hindi mo appeal ka ba?
No. How it feels to be part of the university scholars. Like, I'm also the one nga ga-aim sab ana when I was in my first year. Like, Sana all.
Pero pinili gina siya actually, di ba?
Yes.
Nag-agi mi ko ano kanang audition.
Audition and everything. Mga kailangan ng mga papeles as well.
Kuan kay mo audition kay di mo makakailang mga tao ba nga makakita ko kag
Ma-intimidate
mga
ka.
hawd like
Oo.
hudlog yun na good ka pero
Oo.
thankful ba kay
So
kanang
that's good.
naagoy nakita sa imo ba and then as being a scholar kay kanang kanang kuan siya like parang God wala ko'y bayaran ana god
That's
ang mga
good.
yung anak
That's
god
good.
and then pero yun nga it comes with responsibility you need to show up na jud
Yes.
naman jud kay mga rules and regulation tanan so like na jud kay rules nga obligation na dapat nimo kuan
Follow.
niya pag makuan na nimo aw bye ka
Tinod kay namoy ko kaila man good si Melchorito gusto siya mo appeal og kanang tags po daw. Pero press no, daghang salamat. Of course, before kita
Yes.
mag-end, thank you again
Thank
for
you so
gracing
much for
being here.
Yes.
for gracing us your time and effort no, and sa mga
much.
members as well. Press, this will be the perfect time to give a shout out na makaingon, and of course may mga
Sino
upcoming
mga
na mga
basher?
events
Basigdak ay
sa
may-
senior officers.
ha so to
Kasi kaya ko siya naminaw. Anak ko basi na kay gusto i-shout out, iingon ng mga upcoming events sa Summit Sining o mga officers ninyo. Ay, taas na yun. Hindi nga. Para bang muatog swimming pool.
Onya, charas. So like, wala, shout out lang ko sa kaibigan ko dyan, Ella, Ali, charas. Pero bitaw ka ng, ibalik na ko guys, like please do support sa sa ilahang competition sa kuan as well as sa choral and sa band. I'm really grateful guys for choosing me as one of the leaders god na mag-unite good sa
Next
Tolo
school
sa
year na sa...
Derek Wa-
Ay!
Uy, dili, charas. Pero bitaw guys, it's so fun. So ang kuan naman jud, ang major lang na kumakuan sa Summit Sining is look forward sa mga kabaguhan,
Wow.
sa mga bagong performances.
Sa mga bagong mukha.
Expect jud og
Yes.
more kuan pa jud
Pero,
performances.
Yes, well, kung gusto po mo mag-invite og kuan, like, kontak ka lang ko guys.
Wow.
Wow.
Alright, first of all, thank you
you
very
so
much, no?
much.
Mga ga, we're gonna be back for a quick moment lang, so stay tuned.
Five S is a workplace organization method that uses a list of 5 Japanese words. Siri, sort or tidiness. Seiton, set in order or orderliness. Seiso, shine or cleanliness. Seiketsu, standardize or standardization. Shitsuke, sustain or discipline. First S, Seiri. Seiri is sorting through all items and allocation and removing all unnecessary items from the location. The goal of this first S is to reduce time loss when looking for an item by reducing the number of unnecessary items. The second S is Seiton. Seiton is putting all necessary items in the optimal place for fulfilling their function in the workplace. The goal of this second S is to make the workflow smooth and easy. The third S is Seiso. Seiso is sweeping, cleaning, and inspecting the workplace, tools, and machinery regularly. The goal of this third S is to improve the production process efficiency and safety, reduces waste, and prevents errors and defects. The fourth S is Seiketsu. Seiketsu is to standardize the processes used to sort, order, and clean the workplace. The goal of this fourth S is to establish procedures and schedules to ensure the repetition of the first 3 S practices. The fifth S is Shitsuke. Shitsuke or sustain is the developed process by the self-discipline of the workers. Also translates as do without being told. The goal of this fifth S is to ensure that the 5S approach is followed.
Attention UMDQ College students, are you feeling stressed,
client-centered approach, working collaboratively with you to establish goals, explore options, and develop a plan for addressing your concerns. Booking a counseling session is easy. Simply visit the GSTC office during our operating hours or give us a call to schedule an appointment. And remember, your privacy and confidentiality are always our top priority. Information shared during counseling sessions is kept strictly confidential. So don't hesitate to reach out if you need support. We're here for you every step of the way. UM Digis College, where your well-being is a priority. Book your counseling session today.
Welcome back mga ga, and you're still watching Communic Talks at Komunikasyon Facebook page, and we are going to conclude our 8th episode for our Community Talks now. Big shout out sa mo ang kinakusgan nag-interview si Press Yvonne
Yes.
Jane Patilio.
Ma-feel dyan yung energetic education.
May pitik-pitik pa yun eh.
Talaga.
Of course, no? So, dagan salamat, of course, sa Summit Singing Organization and the performing art skills of students, ang choral, UMDC Choral, and of course, the UMDC Band. Partner?
Okay, we will want also to acknowledge the full support of our program head.
Yes.
Sir Jonathan Tontod, and also the Forces Advisor, Miss Karen Colahara. Also the support of those behind this
Yes.
scene, okay? So this will be the Mel, the Flor D, and also
The Mel of
The
Lordy.
Mel, yes.
Yung the Queen of
and
Pitik.
also dili jud mo dagan niya mo ang live karon ug wala ang
Mga
technical
technical.
team. So
Of
siya
course.
big shout out dira sa Solod.
No? Sila
Kuya,
Alira.
Kuya Jay and Ate Ali.
And Fritz,
Thank
of
you
course. And
so
Sir
much.
Jonathan as well sa pagtabang.
Yes, of course.
And of course, we would like to grab this chance to also thank and akong pagpasalamat sa tuang VP Branch of Operations, Dr. C.J. Miralles, and of course, Dr. Tomas, our Dean of College, sa pagpadayon ng pagsuporta sa Forces Organization and Komunikasyon ug mga pagkabuhaton sa BACOM na program itself. No? And of course, the Department of Arts and Sciences as well. So that's it, partner?
Yes. So
Okay.
see you again next Monday here on Community Talk Live only and Komunikasyon Facebook page.
Bye mga ga! See ya! No.